Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Redirection plugin in WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and head over to the Plugins menu. From there, click Add New and search for Redirection. Once you find it, simply click Install Now and then Activate. This powerful tool helps manage all your site's redirects, ensuring a smooth user experience and maintaining your search engine optimization. You'll find its settings conveniently located under the Tools section. Now let's create your very first redirect. Navigate to Tools, then Redirection, and click Add New. You'll see fields for source URL and target URL. The source is the old, broken, or changed link, and the target is where you want visitors to land. Make sure the HTTP code is set to 301 moved permanently for most situations, as this tells search engines the move is permanent. Click Add Redirect, and you're all set. Managing your redirects is straightforward. The main redirection page displays all your active redirects, allowing you to easily edit or delete them. This plugin is incredibly useful for handling deleted pages, updating permalinks, or even when you're restructuring your site. It also helps you monitor 404 errors, so you can quickly fix broken links and prevent visitors from hitting dead ends. Keeping your site tidy and user-friendly is key. Beyond basic redirects, this plugin offers powerful advanced features. You can use regular expressions for more complex patterns, allowing you to redirect entire sections of your site with a single rule. Conditional redirects let you send users to different pages based on factors like their login status or browser. Remember to regularly review your redirects to keep your site optimized and error-free. Exporting your redirects provides a handy backup, too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.